Bathed in sunlight, Mirha sits absorbed at her desk, a young scholar amidst a sea of books. Dust motes dance in the golden rays, illuminating Mirha's studious world. Her mother enters, a stack of aged books cradled in her arms, their stories yet to be unveiled. With a tender smile, Mother extends the literary treasures. Mirha, these are your grandfather's old books. They might help with your project. Mirha's eyes light up as she receives the legacy, a bridge to her grandfather's past and her nation's future. The weight of history rests in her hands, each page a whisper of independence and heritage. Bathed in the soft glow of lamplight, Mirha sits on the floor, an ancient book open. Young Muhammad Hussein sits beside her, his eyes wide with wonder at the images before him. Mirha shares the story of a nation's struggle. Our leader, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, worked day and night. Her voice resonates with pride. Millions of people sacrificed so we could have freedom. Muhammad Hussein listens intently, absorbing the weight of their history. He remains silent, contemplating the sacrifices made for their freedom. Inspired by Mirha's stories, Muhammad Hussein, in a burst of patriotic fervor, declares, "I will also do something for Pakistan." Mirha beams with pride, her eyes reflecting admiration for her brother's newfound resolve. She extends her hand, creating a bond of shared purpose and familial support. Their faces alight with hope, Mirha affirms, "We promise we will never disappoint Pakistan."
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.